When working with themes in PowerPoint, you may need to change the theme's font styles or font sizes in order to create a more accessible presentation. Many of PowerPoint's themes do a great job of incorporating font styles and sizes that are sufficient for digital accessibility. However, there may be instances where you'd like to make a change to one or the other. Rather than working through the slide deck making font changes to each slide one at a time, PowerPoint has two features that can help you quickly make these changes for the entire presentation. In this example, we'll change one of this theme's default font styles, and then we'll change the size for one of the fonts of a layout template. Let's begin with the font style. Most of PowerPoint's themes have several font styles that are automatically generated when you create new slides or tables. We'll take a look at this theme's default font styles by making sure we're on the Home tab, clicking the drop-down arrow next to Replace, and then selecting Replace Fonts. PowerPoint lists the theme's default fonts here in the Replace drop-down menu. This theme is using Arial, Century Gothic, and Wingdings 3. I'd like to change Century Gothic to a different font style, so I'll select it, and then from the With drop-down menu, I'll select the new font style. I think we'll go with Verdana. To quickly jump down the list, I'll click V, and then I'll select Verdana and click Replace. I can see that the font style appearing for some of the text on this slide changed to Verdana, and any other text that was Century Gothic is now Verdana throughout the presentation. Next, we'll change the default font size of a layout template. In this presentation, Slide 2 is an example of the title and content layout template. The font size of this text is a little smaller than I'd like, so I'm going to make it larger using PowerPoint's Slide Master feature. We'll click the View tab, and then Slide Master. From here, we can make changes to the presentation's layout templates. In this example, we'll increase the font size for each of the bullet options appearing in the title and content layout template. And then we'll go back up to the ribbon and click Close Master View. The font size on my slide is now a little larger, and anytime I use or create a new slide with the modified title and content layout template, the font will now appear just as large. Taking a few minutes to consider and make necessary modifications to the font style or size for a theme in PowerPoint will help ensure your text content is more easily available to all of your students.